In this video, I'm going to show you how to change screen timeout settings in Windows. Now, before we are going to change or we're going to do that one, I'm just going to explain to you the purpose of what this could be. Now, say for example, you are trying to observe the stock market to see whether you are going to buy or not, or you're reading something online and you're analyzing, and then it's taking you a couple of minutes to move, say for example, the mouse and the keyboard. Now, what if, say for example, you'd still want to do or read those? Sometimes if, say for example, you're after the time, it could actually black out or sleep. The Windows could sleep and then you'll have to open it once again. Now, if you want to avoid that one, here's how to do it. You're going to want to open the Windows icon here and then click power. So once you are seeing something like this, I want you to scroll down and look for the settings option, power and sleep settings. Go ahead and click that one over there. And there you go. So as of the moment, my screen here, when plugged in, turn off after 10 minutes. So you can program that one. Actually, you can click this one and then you can go ahead and set this to the time that you desire. So say for example, you'd not want that to happen because again, you are observing something, waiting for a reply or an email. You can go ahead and set this to never. Now same thing here, sleep. When plugged in, PC goes to sleep after 30 minutes is what I have. I can go ahead and click that there and then say never as well. So yeah, once I'm done, I no longer have to save it. I can just go ahead and close that one, and that is going to take effect right away. So say for example, I'm just going to go ahead and try to look for that here, power and sleep settings. You should be able to see that the settings are in here. That, everybody, is how you're going to get this done. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a great day.